Hey, this is just a quick little video on my Gamo Whisper pellet gun. Shoots .117 pellets, I think. It's really nice. As you can see, it's all black. Scope is beautiful. And yes, this silencer at the end actually works. See the blue in there? That's like, I think it's foam. And yeah, it's really quiet. The only thing you can hear is the spring inside of it. You can't hear anything else. Any noise the barrel makes is muffled by that silencer at the end. I got it for around $230 or $300. One thing I don't like about this already, I like this. This is the safety, but the trigger, I don't like it. See how it curves in under there? You have to pull it all the way back to shoot it, and that's inconvenient. I was thinking about getting a trigger that you only have to click like to here and it shoots. But as you can see, it doesn't take a clip, and of course it's spring power. What you do to load it, I wish I had 3 hands. You hold this back, you pull the barrel back. It's kind of difficult. Hold on. And it'll look like that. Kind of looks like a retarded broken gun. But see, once you pull it back like that, there's where you load the pellet. You put one right in there, and then you just close it until it clicks. Hear the click, and then aim at your target. I didn't load it, of course, because I'm not shooting inside the house. Safety off, of course. Any idiot should know how to shoot a gun if they have one. There's the scope, pretty nice actually. And now hear how quiet it is. If you have heard another, like a regular pellet gun with no silencer on it, you know what it sounds like. Alright, this is what this sounds like. It sounds a little loud because I'm in a room, but compared to a regular pellet gun, this thing's mighty quiet. Like if you're shooting like small animals and stuff, they won't like run away because this makes like no sound. Yeah. I'm not gonna go get my other pellet gun right now because that's too loud to shoot in the house, surprisingly. The upstairs neighbor will probably complain, but anyways, there's my Gamo Whisper pellet rifle. Thanks for watching.